Fractions to decimals. For this, we need to use short division, the bus stop method. Here are some of the common fractions to decimals and percent. Very useful to learn these. So with 1/4 then, we must make sure we write it the right way, 4 outside and the 1 under the bus stop. So 4s into 1 don't go, 0 up top, decimal point down below, and pop in some zeros. So now we carry that 1 over, giving us 10. So 4s into 10 goes twice with a remainder of 2. Now we do 4s into 20, which go 5 times. So your answer is 0.25. So 3/8 into a fraction, let's write that down on the bus stop and begin. 8s into 3 don't go, so again 0 on the top, decimal point, and zeros in the bus stop. So we're going to carry the 3 over, giving us 30. 8s into 30, that goes 3 times with a remainder of 6. So we carry the 6 over, so that's given us 60. 8s into 60, we know that goes 7 times, and we've got a remainder of 4, so we carry that over. 8s into 40 then, that goes nice, just 5 times, and here the number terminates, we can't go any more, and it's showing us the answer is 0.375. 7/8 then, let's write 8, put it in our bus stop, 7 underneath. So 8s into 7, well that doesn't go, 0 on the top, decimal point, zeros in the bus stop. So that gives us now 70. 8s into 70, well we know 8/8 is 64, so we put 8 on the top line, and that gives us a remainder of 6 that we carried over, so now we have 60. 8s into 60 goes 7 times, and again we have a remainder of 4, carry that over, giving us now 40. 8s into 40, that goes nice and neatly again, just 5 times, so our answer is 0.875. 5/6 then, we're going to write that out, fill in our decimal point and the zeros. So 6 into 5 doesn't go, 0 up top, carry the 5 over. 6s into 50 goes 8 times with 2 remainders, giving us 20. 6s into 20 goes 3 times and giving us 2 remainder again, giving us 20. So 6s into 20 goes 3 times. So if you can see, we've got 0.833, and this is going to continue all the way down. So this is what we call a recurring decimal. So we need to finish it now, mark the fact we know it's a recurring decimal, and the answer is 0.83 recurring.